I'm Russ Bauer. I'm the brand ambassador for Abresist Corporation here in Urbana, Indiana. Today we're going to talk about our KALIMPACT product. There are a lot of benefits to KALIMPACT. It's a very abrasion resistant, it's very impact resistant, but it's a great product to help with your impact and abrasion needs. It helps reduce sound because of the rubber that's mounted between the ceramic tile or the Abresist tile or the KALMETALL W. It also makes for easy replacement once the tiles wear to the point where it needs to be replaced. To my left, you'll see our 50 millimeter thick KALOCER high impact wear plates. On my right, you'll see the magnets we use to affix the plates to the substrate. As you can see, the magnets hold very well, and once we design a complete system, it's all held in place, and again, it's very easy to replace. In front of me, you will see our 1-inch thick KALIMPACT wear plate. This particular plate is 1 inch thick. It is also a high impact plate. You will see that it has the high impact size 1/2 inch KALOCER tile, and on the back it has a metal substrate with studs affixed to be able to bolt into a fixture. Similarly, the KALMETALL W wear plate also has studs affixed with metal. This is 1/2 inch KALMETALL W, 1/4 inch rubber, and it can also be bolted into a substrate. In the front, we have our 2 inch thick KALIMPACT medium impact wear plate, and it has 1 inch thick tile and 1 inch thick rubber. On my right, you will see the medium impact KALOCER tile with 1/2 inch KALOCER and 1/2 inch rubber. And also, both of these you will see have studs that can be affixed into the substrate. On my far right, this is a fun material. This is 1/8 inch thick KALOCER, and you can see it is laid in a bed of rubber, and it's very flexible. So you could put this inside of pipes, on the outside of pipes, in cyclones, and this can be affixed in the substrate using epoxy. So these are several different materials that can be used in conjunction with each other. Sometimes KALMETALL is the best. We also are able to use our fused cast Abresist material as a wear material set in rubber. We stock all of these materials here in Urbana, and we also want to advise that we have the capability of making custom sets. These are standard shapes that we have pallets upon pallets of that you can purchase. For a list of the sizes, you'll be able to check our website at kallenborn.us, and you can ask any of our sales representatives for availability and pricing. We also offer custom linings, as I suggested. We can come and scan your substrate, your vessel, and make a drawing and make these linings so that they fit in your transfer chute or hopper or cyclone. Thanks for listening. You can find out more information at kallenborn.us, and if you wish to email, you can email at info@abresist.com.